So I got this question the other day and I wanted to answer it. And here's the question.
Why do some roofers install starter shingles up the rakes and eaves?
I really hope that roofers do this, but I have a feeling not everybody. So you know where rakes and eaves are on your house, take a look.
Rakes and eaves.
And so you know what a starter shingle looks like, take a look.
I'm a starter shingle. Whee!
Some roofers about 20 years ago, and I did this too, maybe they still do it, I don't know, but they would take a shingle that they would be putting on your roof that you would see when you're on the ground, they would flip it upside down, and that would be the starter, and then they would put the shingle on top. Nowadays, the shingle manufacturers, they create and develop their own starter shingles, so they built and engineered these starter shingles to work with the shingles, which means a couple things. One, the shingle is specifically made to a certain height to allow for a specific overlap of the shingle exposures. Otherwise, it will cause a leak. Second, they have a tar strip at the bottom
I'm a tar strip. Yeah.
that allows the shingle to have higher wind ratings and less blow-offs, which is super important, and nobody wants their roof to blow off. So super important as far as I'm concerned. Back to the question.
Why is it that some roofers run the starter shingles at the eaves and the rakes?
There are roofers that follow best practices and there are ones that don't. And the ones that don't are not running these starters up the sides of the rakes, on the rakes themselves. Every roofer should be running these at the eaves of the roof, and if they're not, then there's a major problem. Don't let your roof be installed without starters on the rakes and the eaves, and don't let your contractor flip the regular shingles over and use them as starters. Here's what to ask if you want to make sure that these two things are happening. Are you going to put starters up the rakes and eaves on my house? Just ask them that. It's super easy. See what they say. What is the name of the starter shingle you're going to be putting on my house? You want to know, do they specifically know what that is, what the name of it is? If they answer no to the first question, which is,
are you going to put starters up my rakes and eaves?
kick them out of your house. If they answer, I don't know what the name of the shingle is, the starter shingle name that I'm going to put on your house, pick up their pen, paper, samples, and their coat, open the door, and throw it out the frickin' door. You're going to save yourself a lot of time and money. Kick them out of your house.